Is your Windows 11 taking forever to start? You might be letting unnecessary apps slow it down without even knowing it. Make Windows 11 start faster by disabling these apps. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. If it opens in compact view, click on More Details at the bottom. Now go to the Startup Apps tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs that automatically start when your computer turns on. Look at the status column. If it says Enabled, that app is launching at startup. You'll also see a column called Startup Impact, which shows how much that app slows down your boot time. Now here's the trick. You don't need most of these running at startup. Apps like Spotify, Skype, or OneDrive can usually be disabled unless you use them all the time. To disable something, just right-click on the app and select Disable. That's it. You can always come back and re-enable it if needed. Bonus tip, if you want even more control, you can press Windows plus R, type msconfig, hit Enter, go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services. This shows you third-party services only. You can uncheck anything you don't recognize or don't use. Just be careful here and don't disable something you're unsure about. Once done, restart your PC and enjoy a faster boot time. Try this out and let me know if you see a difference. Disabling those startup apps should make your PC boot faster and run smoother. If this helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Windows tips like this. See you in the next one.